Do you know that the digital marketing industry in India is about to touch 50,000 crores mark by 2025? Okay, do you know that every month there is at least 26,309 people searching for content writing jobs only in India? It is expected that the content writing industry will grow at a very fast level to make the digital marketing industry touch that 50,000 crores mark by 2025. Approximately 70% of people today consume content, that is, they read about a product before they are convinced to buy. They either read the product description, maybe on the e-commerce websites like Amazon's and all, or they read the product guide, they read the features, the benefits, and many people read the reviews before buying a product. There are many industries today which is uh, using content industry to grow and to grow their website, to grow their business, and to boost their sales. EdTech industry, technological industry, many startups, AI, and other service and retail industries are consuming a lot of content to produce new stuff which will convince the users to buy the product. So with this amazing stats, if you are contemplating on which career to go for or how to upskill your content writing skills or content marketing skills, then here's a course that we have got for you. We are doing a 3 weeks full-fledged program where we will deep dive into every small and big aspects of content writing. The first week will cover about social media, where we will tell you how a content calendar is made, how different topics are chosen, what are the different frameworks to use, how to write an image copy, how to write a reel, how to write a carousel. And on Saturday, we will do a breakout session where the writers from my team will come and give you one-to-one feedback on all these 4 to 5 aspects that I've just discussed. In the second week, we'll be doing a complete information packed webinars on blogs where you will get how to write introductions, which is very eye catching, that leads from one sentence to the other, and we will tell you how to research, how to get your facts checked, how to identify your niche, and how to write a blog that will make your users do what you want them to do. If you want them to buy a product, then we will tell you how to write the introduction in that classy way. And on Saturday, in the breakout room, you will get one-to-one feedback from excellent people from our team who have been doing content writing since decades, and they will tell you where you are going right and where you're going wrong, and how you can actually make your wrongs right. Now, on the third day, third week, which is very important, we will tell you to write website content. Now, when it comes to any business, the website content is very dear to them because that becomes a sales point for them. So, how to make an outline, how to identify USP for a business, how to know where you are different from the competitors, and how to make a draft which has both content and copy mix, making a banner's tagline, giving taglines, where how to use a why chooser section or benefits of that product, whether you should use individual service pages or a compiled service page. Everything step by step will be taught in the third week. And in the last breakout session, you will be given a feedback where your website content could just improve to a level of 10x. So if you are interested to join, we are doing this from 1st October. Do join us, and I am pretty sure, and this is a promise from us, that your content writing skill will just go to another level.